Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use time remapping in Premiere Pro. Time remapping is a fantastic feature that lets you manipulate the speed of your video clips, creating engaging slow motion or fast motion sequences. It's perfect for adding dramatic flair or quickening the pace of your footage. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you can master this powerful editing technique to elevate your video projects. To begin, locate your desired video clip in the Premiere Pro timeline. Right-click on the clip and navigate to the Show Clip Keyframes option. From there, hover over Time Remapping and then select Speed. You'll notice a horizontal line appear across your clip. This line visually represents the current playback speed of your footage. This is your starting point for manipulating time. Now, let's introduce keyframes. Hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac and click directly on the speed line to add a keyframe. You can add multiple keyframes to define different speed zones. To change the speed of a segment, simply drag the line between two keyframes either up for faster motion or down for slower motion. Dragging keyframes apart creates a gradual speed transition. To truly polish your time remapping, focus on refining the speed ramps. Notice the blue handles that appear on your keyframes. Dragging these handles allows you to smooth out the acceleration or deceleration between speed changes, creating a more organic look. For even finer control, you can use the pen tool to directly manipulate the speed curve. Don't hesitate to experiment with various speeds to achieve the perfect visual rhythm for your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.